Hello, Andy. How you doing today? My name is Devin, and you spoke with my wife and my partner Mary earlier today. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time for speaking with her, and then as well as watching this video. So really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website. You can do super easy to beat out Seattle Tree Care right here. As we see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google when you type in Seattle Tree Service, as well as right here. And it's real easy to beat them and real easy to get you guys up there. So really quickly, I just want to tell you why I make these videos in the first place. So I found out that if I make these attack plans and just give them away for free on just how to get more leads and more business through the internet, some owners go out there and do this stuff on their own, and then some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you decide to do with these tips is totally okay with me. My only goal here is to just educate you and just give you some good information. So like I said, I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So we see I have your guys' website pulled up right here. So Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of authoritative content on these front pages right here, because not only does Google think it's going to keep customers on your page longer, they think it's going to keep them on Google longer, which gives them more of a chance to sell these ads that they have right here, as well as the ads that they have at the bottom of these pages right here. So Google's crawling all these websites, seeing who has the most authoritative content right here to put them on Front Street right here. Um, as we know, 70% of buyers do their shopping on this front page right here, let alone go on the second, third, fourth, fifth page. So we all know how important it is to be on this front page to make it very easy for customers to find your business right here. So equally important to content, sorry, equally important to content right here on this front page is keywords. So a keyword is what customers will be typing into to Google when they're looking for things. So Seattle tree service is a keyword that you guys want to be ranking for. As we see, it gets 480 clicks per month alone. So when people are typing this into Google, Google's scanning all these websites right here to see who has that keyword in their site. So this is definitely a keyword that you guys want to be ranking for because obviously it's getting a lot of searches per month. So having this on your homepage will let Google know that you guys provide the service that they're looking for. So there's a bunch of keywords out there you guys want to be ranking for. That's just one of many right there. So between those two tips right there, that's what's going to help you get ranked up here in this organic listing section. So the second tip I want to go over today is called backlinks. And a backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But they want to see relevant companies, so they'll give you a lot more power for using other tree companies or other contractors rather than using Pizza Hut for that's sending you power, because Google's not going to give you any credibility for Pizza Hut because they understand you don't make pizzas for a living. So I like to use a site called Ahrefs to check this. There's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there. You don't have to use this one. As we see, you guys don't have any backlinks. You guys don't have your business address link right here listed in any other websites right here, and we can also see that you guys aren't using any keywords as well. Um, as we hop over here to the competitors, Seattle Tree Care, we see they have their website listed in 85 different websites, giving them a total of 224 backlinks, which is basically 224 times SeattleTreeCare.org is listed in 85 different websites. And you see the amount of keywords they're ranking for as well. So backlinks are very simple. All you need to do is copy these guys. If these was good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked. So a lot of these are like directories. You see, this one's a blog spot. So you just come in here, you create an account, and then you drop a link back to your website. Or if it's a directory, you just create an account, and then boom, drop your website link in that website right there. So pretty simple stuff. Like I said, if these was good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked. So you want to take all of the high authoritative backlinks that they have right here and then go out and get them for yourself. So with those two tips I just gave, that's what's going to get you ranked number one right here across Google in this organic listing section right here, which is everything under these ads and under this map pack right here. If you want to be ranked number one right here in this Google My Business section, this has everything to do with citations. The citations is anywhere your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business information. This is completely free to do right here. And the only thing you need to do to be number one is just have more than these guys. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. And we see you guys have 24 citations. These guys have 50. And a citation or a directory is basically like Yelp, Facebook. As you see, these are all the different directories they have their site listed in. So you guys should come in here and you want to grab all of these and apply them to your website and then go out and get more. So if these guys have 50 citations, I would recommend going out getting 100 to 150 to just really dominate Google right here. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I have for you right here. I tried to be pretty brief and quick as possible. Obviously, there's a lot more detail that goes into it, but I like to keep these short and because I know you guys are always busy. And so, quick recap: you want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, as well as adding in those high volume keywords you guys want to rank for, and then you want to come in see what backlinks these guys have, and then go out and get them for your website, which can really benefit you guys as well. And then same thing with citations, coming in and grabbing all these different directories they have, and then going out and getting more. So that's all I have for you, Andy. Again, my name is Devin. I appreciate you for watching this video. If you'd like to reach out to me or Mary, our cell phone number is 775-402-2885, and we'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.